Hey my friend, welcome back to another video about automation. So I talked to a lot of different companies, entrepreneurs, business owners, and in today's video, I'm going to show you the most common objections and fears that companies have about adding automations to their operations. And maybe it's something that you are thinking about as well. So maybe you want to start building automations, but you're not so sure if that's the right answer for you. And of course, especially because it's a very new topic with all the AI topic being a very great trend today, companies start to have second thoughts or maybe fears about really implementing automation and AI to their operations. So I want to share right now 4 fears and objections that are very common that companies share with me. Okay, so let's get started. So the first one is, my company will become robotic. Okay, so this is a very common objection or fear that companies have that they kind of talk to me about during calls. But and I always tell them that it's really the opposite, right? Once you start automating the back office processes, everything that you are doing manually, everything that's taking too much of your time, you will free up your time so you can really build customer relationships, so you can really go after more clients, so you can really focus on delivering great results to your clients. Because at the end of the day, your clients don't care about everything that you do under the hood, everything that you do in the back office. They care about the results. So what are the results that you are getting them, right? So once you start automating everything that doesn't matter to the client, you're going to start using your time to the things that actually matter. So your company won't become robotic. Your company will become efficient. You and your team will have time to focus on the things that really matter, to focus on growing your company, and of course, getting more clients and delivering great results to your clients. So that's the end goal of automation. Okay. The second most common objection is, once I start implementing automation, I will lose control of my operations. That will only happen if you are building automations in the wrong way, right? Because automation and the goal of building automation and systems is to actually do the same thing that you are doing, but in a better way, in an automated way, right? So if you know what you are doing, if you really understand your process, you're going to build efficient automations for your company, right? So that's why it's really important first to really understand all your processes, to really understand everything that needs to happen on those processes, so you can really build automations that are going to help your company and not start to lose control of everything that's happening on the operation side of the company, right? So again, if you build it in the right way, you won't lose control of your operations. You won't lose control of your company. It's the opposite. You're going to start to have a sense that now you are managing your company on the most efficient way possible. Now everything is happening without you losing control. Everything is happening and you can focus your time on other things, on things that really matter. So automation won't make you lose control of your operations. It's really the other way around. The third fear or objection that companies have about AI and automation is, everyone in my company will be afraid of this because they will be afraid of losing their jobs, right? And of course, that depending on the type of work that a person is doing on the company, AI and automation can really do the same in a more efficient way. But most of the times, what automation and AI will do is make everyone more efficient, right? If a team member is spending 5 hours a day inputting data manually on a spreadsheet, you automate that and you can use that time on other things to grow your company. you can make everyone on your team more efficient. So that's the goal of automation again. So it's not that everyone will lose their jobs, it's that everyone will become more efficient. Everyone will make the most out of their time. So that's the goal of automation. Again, automation can replace one another job, but that's not the end goal. The end goal is become more efficient. So let's say that you have a team member. Again, going back to the other example, if you have a team member that is spending too much time on manual work, you can automate that and you can make that person work on a different role or on a different part of your business that will add more value to your company, to your clients. So again, the goal of AI and automation is to make your company and team members more efficient. And last but not least, and again, this is a common, not objection, but it's a common response that I get once we start automating my clients' operations is, okay, Ed, now you are automating a lot of our processes. So what do I do, right? So like I have a bunch of free time. What do I do with my free time? And I always say to them, okay, so like now you can go after more clients. You can grow your company. You can focus on fulfillment on the service delivery side of the company, right? Or you can use your time to spend more time with your family or to do the things that you love to do, your hobbies, and so on and so forth. So again, it's not a fear, but it's not on their comfort zone to not work on the things that they were working before manually, but it's a great outcome of building AI automation because you're going to start to have more free time, so you can either do the things that you love or you can focus more on growing your company. So out of those 4 things, what are the ones that you have taught before? What are the ones that you have the most fear or objections in really implementing AI and automation to your company? Just let me know on the comment below. I'm sure that AI and automation is the solution that you have been looking for to become more efficient and to scale your company even further. And as always, if you need help to build those systems for you, just click on the link down below. I'll be happy to get on a chat with you to learn more about your processes and to show you how we can help you scale. Thank you.